Well, you got to take like a little bite, just a tiny little bite.
I pray God this doesn't pop in my face.
It's going to be even funnier if it does.
Oh my God, I will probably cry. I can feel some of the air coming out, but not a lot.
It'll all rush in at one time.
The truth, and it's not worth it.
You got to make a bigger hole.
Huh?
You got to make a bigger hole.
Is it working now?
Yeah.
The truth is I don't.
It's not going to work that long.
You got to suck a lot in. So get a lot.
Ask me questions.
Keep going. Keep going.
Ask me questions about something, babe.
What do you think about global warming?
Oh, fuck global warming.
Ask motherfucking Al Gore about global warming.
Got to get a lot.
Mm-mm.
What do you think about strippers?
What do I think about strippers? What kind, guys or girls?
Girls.
Alright. Most of them are stupid blondes.
With kids.
With kids.
Can't get a job at Walmart.